back to another video where today we're gonna do the Nerf Battle. The one, the only, Hydra. Yeah. Workout be like. Anyways, today we're going to be doing a Nerf Battle. Why I hear you ask? Well, why the frick not? Okay. So we have two bases. This is gonna be my base. This is his base. We try to shoot each other. You cannot set foot out of your base. So
unless you have to go get ammo.
Unless you gotta go get ammo. You can't do this, but you can
go like this.
Do this. Like lay down and still have your feet in the base. So it's just like to get ammo and cheat. So anyways, he has a sucky gun and I have the best gun ever. Wait. I just remembered. I had this monster thing, and it's amazing. What are you doing? You're out. You out of your base. You're out. You're out. Oh, fine. Alright, so I'm gonna start in this. Whenever either of us gets hit, we're gonna teleport like this. We're gonna teleport because why not? I just love teleporting. Alright, anyways, I'm gonna teleport again, and we're gonna start this thing in 3, 2, 1. Alright. Monster gun. Oh god! Come at me, you punk! I hit you! Did I hit you?
No, I went like this and it went.
I thought I hit your arm.
No, it went.
I saw it hit your arm.
Fine.
I saw it hit his. I saw it hit his arm. Alright. We are now in Jake Hydra's base. This is gonna be amazing. Alright. We are ready for this.
Except that he's out of his base. Shut up. You be quiet.
You be quiet. Alright, let's do this. I hit you.
No, you didn't. You missed.
No, I hit you.
No, you missed.
I hit you. I hit you then. I so hit you.
Hold on.
So bad. I so hit you.
Alright.
Okay, I hit him. We're teleporting. I'm out of freaking ammo. The gun is broken. No, it's not.
Hi, man.
No, man. I hit you again. I can't believe I hit you again. So. Oh. Oh. Oh no. Oh. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I cheated. I died. I set a foot out of my freaking base. Dang it. Okay. Ow! Oh! Alright, I'm dead. You can't see me because I'm dead. And ghosts are dead. And dead are ghosts. I just discovered this feature. You can zoom in and out. Yeet! Amazing.
Hello.
That's amazing.
I like pooping bullets.
Alright, this video isn't gonna be very long because I'm bored. And
once another one of us get hit,
another
one of us get hit, we'll just end the video.
Yeah, after another one of us gets hit, we're gonna end the video. Oh. Yeah! Wait, gimme. Okay. I am going to play with my phone here. gonna put my phone here, okay? Can you still see? It's magic. You guys teleported. I'm gonna try find. I don't care. This is gonna have to work. It's working. Let's do this. All right.
And we're to my base, guys.
Yep, he's going to his base.
Until we die.
Yeah, until we die. All right, now that you can see the view of myself, I'm beautiful. This is what I see most of the time. Yeah.
Let's have a little lower.
Yeah, a little lower. All right, let's do this.
Come on.
Come on. Oh! Ah! That got me right in the area. That got me right in the area. Unfortunately, we have to end this video. Sorry, guys.
Have fun.
Enjoy your life because it's amazing.